Kakarating lang namin dito sa Vinpearl Bus Terminal. Ito yung pick-up point namin going to Nha Trang. So we already got our tickets and we're just waiting for the bus. 10:30 yung biyahe namin. So that's around 5 to 6 hours na biyahe. Hopefully makakarating kami ng mga 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. Ito yung labas ng terminal and luckily yung nabook namin na accommodation pagbalik dito sa Ho Chi Minh, which is La Memoria Hotel, is just across the street. So tatawid lang kami, ando na kami sa hotel namin. Dito na yung bus namin at saka pinasok na yung luggages sa loob ng bus and sana makasakay na kami in a short while kasi naantok na din, we're tired. We are now boarding. Bari natin yung sapatos. Tapos ilalagay sa plastic. Yung cabin namin is 1 and sa second floor kami 2. Yung biyahe namin is 6 to 10 hours, but yung nasa tulok naman sinabi is 6 hours. Hopefully we'll arrive there at 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. in the morning. Ito yung tsura niya. Ulit lang. Andito na kami sa Nha Trang. It's so early in the morning. It's around 4:30 a.m. Expected time namin dumating around 5:30 or 6 a.m. Pero parang mas maaga kami dumating. And this is the area na saan kami dinrop off. Doon banda yung yung office, but it's not open yet. And now we're booking a Grab to our hotel. Papunta na kami sa venue at the Venue Hotel. Ito na yung the Venue Hotel. Parang close pa. Ito yung katapat niya na hotel. Villa Hotel. At ito yung community. May mga bahay. May laundry sa baba. May kainan. Parang siyang eskinita. And doon sa labas, doon sa kanto merong 2 marts or parang convenience stores. Is there a Wi-Fi?
Yeah, Wi-Fi that's what you can.
Okay.
Army, non-smoker, no deer, no secret.
Yes. No seafood and durian. What time is the breakfast?
Yeah, breakfast is with spasito na.
6 a.m. to 9 a.m.
At 70.
Okay. Ito yung room namin. Ooh, cute. Ito yung CR. Toilet. And my bathtub. Shower. And then bathtub. Wow, it's a shed. And here's the room. Ito yung room. May outlet dito. And I think that's a king size or queen size bed. And my telephone. Then they have a hair dryer, aircon, remote. And then we have a kettle, water, my free tea, jasmine tea, and white sugar, 2 cups. And a TV. Merong mini ref. Ang cute. At saka isang trash bin, some shelves, may electric fan, and a mirror. Tapos may working desk. Pwede mag-work dito. Cute. Ito yung hotel. And also, merong sabi tayo ng clothes, cabinets. Laki ng room. And of course, we have a sea view. Kinuha namin na room is my sea view. Alright, no, hindi pa natin makikita. But that's the outside of the hotel. Ito yung dagat. Oh! Alright, mag-rest muna kami.
Warmth upon your face, starting fresh with grace, waves in harmony, dance with morning sea, nature's tender hug, starting day anew.
Good morning everyone! Andito na tayo sa Nha Trang. Ito yung view ng hotel namin. Super ganda. Ito, sa likod, there are other hotels. And here's our view. Majestic. Super ganda. And kita nyo yung island. That island. Yan yung Vinpearl. Yan yung pupuntahan natin later. And we'll have fun and explore Vinpearl today. And just across the corner, and then sa left side, tourist destination or tourist attraction here in Nha Trang. Ganda. There. Pupuntahan din natin yan maybe later or tomorrow. For now, enjoy the view.
With color and ink, smiling faces all.
Yung elevator paakyat. And the view. Wow, beach.
Overflowing color and ink,
Ganda. For now, kain na tayo.
smiling faces.
They serve bon pho, rice noodles. Also have fried eggs, omelette, green tea, and then coffee. They have lemon juice, water, orange juice. There's bread with butter. May Russian salad. Vinegar dressing salad. Tomato, cucumber. Steamed rice. Pancake. May rice dumplings. Then sauces. This one. Of course, they have steamed dumplings. May fried potato, french fries. Ay, sorry. Rib rag out. My crispy fried fish. And there's grounded pork spaghetti. Ito. Okay, let's have our breakfast. Ito, meron silang fried eggs. You can request for fried eggs and omelette. And also rice noodles dun sa kitchen. And wala silang rice dito. Of course, I got some coffee. They have some egg soup. Ito yung mga kinuha ko. May Russian salad, some bean stalks, bread with butter, and then some meats. Ito, para siyang rib. Something rib. Forgot the name. Pero para siyang machado. Let's see. Actually, ang ganda ng nila dito. Free breakfast. When you book an accommodation, it's either from Agoda or any booking apps like Klook. We book ours sa Agoda, and I'll just put the price or the link below. And may free breakfast na siya. May free access sa pool, which is on the 19th floor. Right now, we are at the 17th floor. Yung buffet nila. Ang ganda. Kasi buffet style. At saka ang daming food. Let's enjoy. Eat. Maganda sana dun sa likod. Kasi may view ng beach. At saka makikita mo na yung Vinpearl na resort. Which is isang malaking island where you can go there via Klook na. And we book hours sa Klook. And may access kami sa cable car going to the island and then going back. So round trip ticket. And then meron kami yung ticket for the whole day sa Vinworld. Para siyang Disneyland nila dito sa Vietnam. Sulit na for its price. Actually, mura lang dito sa Vietnam. Especially here in Nha Trang. Mga ganitong klaseng hotel na may free breakfast, may swimming pool, nasa around less than 2,000 or 1,500 na or 1,800 ang binayaran namin. Na good for two na yon. Very sulit na. And there are other hotels around the area na beachfront din na affordable lang din. But if you want some luxurious hotels, meron din dito na nasa around 3,000 to 5,000. Ito ang rice noodles, oh. We're heading out now. Mag-book na kami ng Grab. Super lapit lang namin sa beach. Ito lang pala siya. Maglalakad lang kami dyan, papunta dyan. And beach na. Ito yung labas ng namin, hotel. May mga cafes. May kainan. Pwede tayong dumambay doon later. May kainan. Bilihan ng souvenirs at may mixu. We had it sa mixu. We had it sa Malaysia. And sa kanto lang namin may banh mi. Kung nagkikrave kami ng banh mi.
Warmth upon your face, starting fresh with grace, waves in harmony, dance with morning sea, nature's tender hug, starting day anew. Every morning new dreams will come through, under the sky so clear, chasing away all fear. Every morning new dreams will come through, under the sky so clear, chasing away all fear.
Medyo malayo pa pala yung sa Vin Wonders Cable. Nasa dulong-dulo siya. And just a couple of minutes away. Pero straight lang naman yung way. Dito na kami! Ayan, ito yung harap niya. Yan. Diyan tayo sasakay ng cable car going to the island. Ito yung guest counter nila. And ito yung ticket price nila if we're going to buy tickets dito sa mismong ticket office nila. Screenshot yun na lang. So, my round trip entrance ticket includes two-way, cable car. That's 975,000. Guests from 140 centimeter tall and above. Pero regular nila is 735,000. Pasok na kami since we already booked our tickets from Klook. Ito yung voucher. So, ipapakita nila yung voucher sa loob. Ito yung pila. Oh. Ito yung itsura niya sa loob. Malaki. Ganda. Yan. Hindi ko madaming tao. It's December 23rd. So, for sure madaming turista at saka mga families going there to celebrate Christmas or the holidays. Papasok na kami, so we're just gonna scan yung QR code namin.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tayo nyo tao sa...
Very colorful yung nila. Mga railings. Rainbow. Ito na yung Nandiyan na yung mga cable cars.